All right, so I did find on printables. I found the S9 hot end cover. It just says this is to cosmetically replace the hot end cover. It uses all original parts, so I could print this and hack it up. Um, and even better, I could download it, bring it into Tinkercad, and remove all of what I don't like. Um, let's have a look and see. I don't see where they put the LED. I see it there, but... So I was just kind of reading what they were saying here. They didn't like the look of the original one, blah, blah, blah. So I'll download this one. And there's one with the heat inserts and without. Without. And this will at least give me a starting point to make something different. There's the dress-up kit right there. If you just go on printables and type in Sunlu S9, you'll find that. So that's what I actually used. Dual duct cover. What that is. Okay. Dual duct. Okay, that's cool. Where's the duct? I'm not sure. I have no idea. Alright. Here's V2 with dual duct cooling. The print needs support at the top of the fan holder. The part cooling fan. I'm not sure what they. Maybe there's a duct that you can print that he's not referencing. I don't know. There's not a lot of stuff on printables for that. Maybe if we go on here, sunlu S9. I don't know if there's an S9 or if they're just all S9 pluses. Let's see. Whatever the Schlupfun S9 seemed to be a lot of that. Okay, so this is on printables, and it's also on Thingiverse, and possibly, well, sometimes when people put things on Thingiverse, they put a link to something else. Okay. I'm not seeing the dual duct, but I'll just look through here real quick. There's not a lot of files for this particular printer, so you won't have to worry about that. And there's only 2 pages of files, and a bunch of them have nothing to do with this printer. Filament sensor, yeah. And then just a regular old Google search. Apparently, you could buy this printer for $159 or $419, $215. It was $189 on Amazon. Boy, it's not opening very quickly, is it? It's probably not available. Currently unavailable. Yeah. There was 2 sellers that had it on Amazon. One was cheap and one was not. Anyway, I'm trying to see if there's some 2022 supposedly came out. I don't think so. I'm not sure, but I'm just trying to see if there was a file. Let's click this and see what comes up. I'm not finding anything, but the hell is this? So we're on the Colts website. Home of Porno 3D. They have some weird stuff. Anyway. Here's the I'll be damned, look at this. I've never seen this before. Well, holy hell. Okay, so here was the one that I originally downloaded. You have to log into this site to download anything too. So this is the one that they had. I don't know what that little blue wheel is. So if you want to download the one I was using, you can definitely do that. '71 downloads. Publication date August 1st, 2023. Okay. I've printed that thing. And that never knew this existed. Pretty cool. Somebody's already made one. Let's see, who is this? I'm not real super familiar with this site. 3/16/2024. So this was actually like fairly recent. Yeah. So I bought this printer 2 months ago, maybe? Month and a half ago. Looks good. I definitely agree that this stupid housing has got to go. Right. Let's see. It says mount for S9 Plus to allow extruder to be moved to sit above the hot end. Requires a dual gear extruder. Original extruder motor will work. Install the spring adjustment screw and screw all the way in before assembling to the mount. It will not be able to be accessed installed once the gear is attached to the mount. Yeah, okay. I actually do remember now. I saw this one before. So I'm not going to go to a dual gear. I have one. So, but if I was going to go with a dual gear, this one's perfect. So yeah, I don't want the dual gear. I want to reuse the factory one. I don't see any advantage yet to doing that. It's not something I'm concerned about. So, what I want to do though is go in here. We go in here and I'm going to use my reliable printer. And I'm going to print the cover. See here. What color should we print it? I think green would be great. I think I'll do green. Okay. Let's go ahead and slice it. Save it. Alright. So, I'll be back with an update on this once I get this printed. And I also, while I'm printing it, I'll probably be editing another one in Tinkercad. So I want to remove some of the bulk off of it. I can see a little better, but I don't know. I need to print a prototype on this one to see the fitment.